So I haven't posted in a while. I thought I would take a minute and show where my driveway is supposed to be. And it looks like I may not make it to work today. But we're gonna try. We'll break out the chainsaw here in a minute. This is crazy for April. See what the Maine road looks like here. This is still supposed to be my driveway here. Got a big pine tree down up ahead. Someone's gonna be sore tonight. Yeah, I don't know about that. We could hear trees snapping all night long. Just didn't realize that it was these trees. That's not good. That's a big tree right there. Well, this is a quarantined, involuntary quarantine right here. Social distancing, not going to be a problem today for us. All right, I have more DIY videos coming up. Everyone stay safe, stay quarantined, and have a great day.